Raja. I'm the director of Beatbox Entertainment Private Limited, and we have our offices in New Delhi and Mumbai. So our head office is in New Delhi. So, and basically our company is we are the distributors and pioneer integrators for studio and recording equipments, and we have done a lot of studios in Mumbai and Chennai and a lot of other places. And so the idea of this event was to gather around all the industry people, like probably basically musicians, audio engineers, and we have also called like live engineers who are basically associated with all the top music producers and even for like film stars. So that's how the so the event is all about like having basically a musician meet, and at the same time we have called all lot of live engineers, producers, and musicians, and at the same time we are also launching our new drum microphones from SE Electronics. So the idea was to announce that this is officially available with us and with our partner. So that's all about it.
सर काफ़ी बिग नेम्स ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे आ चुके हैं।
Right.
क्या कौन-कौन से ऐसे नाम हैं जिन पर रोस्टर डालना चाहेंगे? बताएंगे कौन-कौन एग्जैक्टली आ चुके हैं जिनका इस मूवी से ताल्लुक रहा है?
So we have Aftaf Khan, who's the live engineer for Salim Suleiman. He's here. So, and we have Sunny Sunur, who's the basic live engineer for Arijit Singh. And we are also expecting Tanish Bakshi, who's like, I mean, very good producer and well-known friend also with us. And yeah, so we have most of the live engineers and the music producers coming across. So we are still waiting for many more.
So we can expect it
yes,
celebrity to come.
yes, definitely.
Any you can the name any.
So we are expecting Raghav Sachar. He's this thing, and we are also invited Monali Thakur. She's a very good singer. Then at the same time, we are also expecting a lot of other. Preetham is also expected to come, but let's see. We are still waiting for them to come across. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. It's basically the idea of this event is all about to gather around all the musicians, engineers, producers together, and to basically associate with them, because it's always there. Like I don't travel too much, and it's always like a big gap for us to come together and meet everyone at one place. So this is the moment. Like I thought, like it's an idea. Like okay, why don't we call all the musicians, producers, live engineers to be a part of this event, and I've seen a lot of people like they are meeting for. They've been talking that they are meeting for last. I mean, after 8 years or maybe 4 years. So that's a good note for us to take this initiative together and support the industry, because for past 10 years we've been into the Bollywood industry years for their gears, for their any requirement which they have, and I've been as a sound engineer, so I've been keep researching for you guys to have a better gears all this while. And so this time is basically we're gonna introduce our new SE drum microphones. This event was also about like introducing our new drum microphones, and as you know that there are a lot of people and basically live engineers who are already using few of our microphones for their live stage, like V7, V7X. That's a dynamic microphone. So a lot of feedback we got from the industry, good feedback, and so I have been basically moving around with the kit, the new drum microphones with a couple of engineers like Humayun Siddiqui, Atiq. So he's basically SE artist
also, and he's been driving the kit for a long time. And Sigmund is also a very good dear friend, and he's been supporting us all this while for his live guests. So I would recommend you, like, probably just have a for live engineers and even though for the studios. So just whenever you need any kit or whenever you need probably our assistance, and just go. I mean, try out our SE microphones, because it's been great support from all of you guys. So I would also welcome our Ryan and Friends, who's a band performing over here, and they're gonna probably demonstrate new drum microphones with the band. And once again, thank you so much, everyone, for being here and being supportive for all this while. And I really appreciate the turnaround, because I never thought that it's gonna be possible to do it. Thank you so much. Thank you guys. And big round of applause for my team, Gopal, who's been associated with us for so many years and been driving the beatbox in Mumbai. And special thanks to Mr. Aslam Khan. So he's also an important guest of honor for us. Yeah. And unfortunately, Carl and the other team like Humayu is already there. You must be knowing it. He's a great friend of mine and as well a good live engineer. So I really thank to Humayu as well. So thank you so much. Thank you.
मैं म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स में और स्टूडियो प्रोडक्ट्स में डील करता हूँ और माइक्स वगैरह में भी डील करता हूँ।
इस इवेंट पे कैसा लगा सर आपको आके?
इवेंट आके बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, क्योंकि एक्चुअल में बहुत अलग हटके थोड़ा सा इवेंट था। सारे इसमें म्यूजिशियंस हैं और आपके आर्टिस्ट हैं।
बड़ी बड़ी मूवीज़ में जिन लोगों ने काम किया है, ऐसे भी कोई लोग अंदर हैं, तो बताएंगे आप किस मूवी से रिलेटेड लोग ऑलरेडी आए हुए हैं?
कुछ मूवीज़ से लोग हैं, काफ़ी साउंड इंजीनियर्स हैं जिनको मैं वर्बली नहीं जानता हूँ, मगर बहुत से ऐसे लोग जिनको फेस में रीड कर सकता हूँ, मगर आपको बता नहीं पाऊँगा मैं भी कि मैं करीब अप्रॉक्सिमेट 10 साल से हूँ।
जो अभी यंग लोग हैं जो साउंड में इंजीनियरिंग जाना चाहते हैं, उनके लिए क्या संदेश देना चाहते हैं?
संदेश तो कुछ नहीं है। अच्छे साउंड इंजीनियर्स एक्चुअल में क्या बेसिकली क्या वर्किंग पे डिपेंड करता है। आप कोई कोर्स पे ना जा करके जितना वर्क करेंगे, जितना आप अपना टाइम देंगे, स्पेंड करेंगे, उतना ज़्यादा बेटर रहेगा। साउंड इंजीनियरिंग कोर्स पे या सर्टिफिकेट पे डिपेंड नहीं करता है। आपके जितनी वर्किंग है, आप जितना अच्छा काम कर सकते हैं, उस पर डिपेंड करता है। थैंक यू।
मेरा नाम शैलेंद्र कुमार सिन्हा हुआ। मेरी कंपनी परफेक्ट साउंड सॉल्यूशन, डीलर इन पटना, बिहार एंड झारखंड। और
सालों से इंडस्ट्री में काम कर रहा है?
मैं 7 साल से इस इंडस्ट्री में हूँ और मैं इस मीटिंग में पहली बार आया हूँ एसी के, और एसी का प्रोडक्ट मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा और उम्मीद करते हैं कि अब इस मंथ एसी का प्रोडक्ट मंगवाऊँगा अपने स्टोर में और सेल करूँगा, क्योंकि जितने अच्छे से इंजीनियर यहाँ आए हुए हैं बहुत लाइक किए हैं इस प्रोडक्ट को, तो मैं भी इस प्रोडक्ट को बेचूँगा, प्रमोट करूँगा।
फंक्शन के दौरान काफ़ी लोग मिले जुले, गेट टुगेदर हो गया, कितना अच्छा रहा ये इंडस्ट्री के लिए?
बहुत अच्छा रहा। अभी तक जितने भी हम प्रोडक्ट बेचे हैं माइक्रोफोन में, उसमें इस प्रोडक्ट का बहुत अच्छा क्वालिटी है, क्योंकि ड्रम पर लगा हुआ माइक है, सुन रहे हैं, क्लियरिटी बहुत अच्छा है। तो उम्मीद करते हैं कि हमारे बिहार झारखंड में इसको मैं बहुत प्रमोट करूँगा और जितना हो सके हम आगे बढ़ाएंगे।
My name is Philip.
So what are you doing exactly?
I'm basically a technical designer and consultant and installer of what's making sound systems.
Which big movies are you already associated with? Any big names?
Movies?
Yeah.
I'm not in the movie scene. I'm only in the club and entertainment field other than the movie scene. So that's not the right thing for
How do
me.
you feel you came here in the party? How do you feel? What about the party?
It's a fantastic thing, and especially the microphone and the thing we done. And Suchit, been in the industry for the longest time. It is a very good thing actually, So thanks for him for inviting us and getting onto this platform.
So what do you think if the gathering is over here about the backstream team on the Bollywood? So is it good for all the things, all the people?
See, you don't have to differentiate about Bollywood or any kind of thing. If there is a microphone which works for a lead singer or anywhere in the studio, it will work for anywhere. So, so drum mics, this mics, it can work anywhere. So why should you always say that it should be work only for Bollywood?
Any upcoming event after any project you're upcoming talking about the any
See, I'll be working on the upcoming project. You know, whenever it get a chance, we will be using that. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
And I came here for the SE electronic mic launch and to SE Electronics now. I have a huge rental company and I wish to change my mics into SE Electronics because you know it's a fantastic microphone set, especially for the drums. Thank you.
To get a band and for engineers to come and experience the new drum kit mics which have been launched by SE Electronics worldwide. So I think it's one of a kind of an event where after a long time engineers have gathered together, they've experienced the drum mics and they've been pretty happy with the feedback that Suchit has got from his engineers who've come here. So I think overall it's been a good experience.
Part of this industry.
Upcoming projects, sir, if you want to talk.
Like I just finished a music project called Singing Stars in Chennai. Okay, I just traveled back early in the morning yesterday, and I was working with a full band where I was using a lot of gear because if I was aware of this product, then probably I would have tried this out last week. Okay, it's just probably I'm introduced the product a week late, and I feel that the mics that are being used right now are very true. They sound exactly like the way the kit sounds because I heard the kit before I heard the sound of the microphone. So if I look at it, I think the mics are as true as it's supposed to be. So I'm sure it'd be a great sounding thing if I use it on a kit, and I intend to use that. Stereo microphones which can be used for the piano, and I believe like Humayun is already using that microphone on Amjad Ali Khan's Sarod. So
Hi, this is Gopal from Beatbox Entertainment Private Limited. And first of all, this was a cocktail party, but we never expected such a huge love from the industry. Everyone is together in the same platform. Thanks to each and everyone.
इवेंट्स का कैसा रिस्पांस आ रहा है आपका?
इवेंट्स का वेरी गुड. सब लोग ने बहुत प्यार दिया हम लोग को और सब लोग एक प्लेटफॉर्म में एक ही साथ सब लोग आए और ये है हमको और इनकरेज करता है कि हम उनके लिए और बेटर सर्विस दें और डेफिनेटली और बेटर उनको सर्विस देंगे. जो एक्सपेक्टेशन है अभी और हमारा बढ़ गया है.
गोपाल सर, अभी किस प्रोजेक्ट पे काम कर रहे हैं अगर बात करें?
अभी 2-3 मेजर प्रोजेक्ट में काम कर रहे हैं हम. जो पहले के टाइम के होते थे बड़े बड़े स्टूडियोज़ आते थे, अभी वो स्टूडियोज़ बंद हो गए. बट इस साल से वापस वो ट्रेंड चालू हुआ तो बड़े स्टूडियोज़ में और हम लोग काम कर रहे हैं.
कब तक उम्मीद कर सकते हैं प्रोजेक्ट कंप्लीट होने की सर? कब तक?
ऑलरेडी 2 पाइपलाइन पे है और 2 प्रोजेक्ट का बात चल रहा है. तो बहुत हाई एंड प्रोजेक्ट्स है. तो डेफिनेटली ये प्रोजेक्ट आने के बाद शायद इंडस्ट्री का वापस ट्रेंड चेंज हो. जो इस साल हम लोग ने ट्रेंड चेंज किया सब लोग को एक प्लेटफॉर्म में लाने का, और ये स्टूडियो आने के बाद शायद म्यूज़िक का भी ट्रेंड चेंज हो. एक्सपेक्ट तो वही कर. बहुत जन दूसरे पार्टीज़ में भी गए बट टर्नआउट बहुत अच्छा हुआ. हमने जो एक्सपेक्ट किया था उससे डबल ही हुआ है टर्नआउट. तो हम लोग बहुत हैप्पी है कि इतने जन हमारे पार्टी में आए.
Thank you, Gopal sir, for giving your time and I wish you all the best.
थैंक यू वेरी मच.